Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're just going to do a little fun project here. It's this glider, and actually a Fox 3V glider, and this is it. It's a good-looking plane, little glider. Well, this is pretty big. I made the fuselage 2 millimeters long. So let's go ahead and get started on this. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, like and comment my videos. And yeah, so let's get started. Let me turn this off, or actually just go ahead and do a new design. Now I need some pictures of this, so come up to Insert, Canvas, Insert from my computer, and it is the, see here where it's at. And here we have it, Fox glider. Open, put it on this plane here, drag this out. And we have this. Come up here to canvases, change this to side. All right. Now I'm going to calibrate this, the side view. I want from here to here 2 meters. So we'll click here and click this line and type in 2000. Scroll in. Now I need to line this up with the origin. Turn on origin, left click, then right click, and edit canvas. And OK. Do the same thing and insert a top. So canvas. Now I want to put this on this plane. Drag this out. And rotate this 90 degrees. And OK. And change this to top. Left click, then right click. I want to calibrate this. And same thing on this. From here to here, 2000 millimeters. Then we need to edit canvas and move this back. Now this is slightly off here, rotation. So I'm going to add just 1 degree. Still slightly off. So let's add 1/2 degree. Well, still not right, but I'll get it here in a second. Okay, that's better. And click OK. Now we have the side and the top. Now we need a front view. Same thing, come over to Insert, Canvas. Open this. And we want this on the front. Drag this out. Now this is facing the wrong way, so I'm just going to hit this button right here. And click OK. Again, we want this front down here, but first need to calibrate this to the correct size. So this here, change this to front. Right click on it and calibrate. And again, here, 2000. Or you can add whatever length you want yours to be. Now, right click on that and edit canvas. And move this down to here. Click OK. Come up here to create form. Click this. And we want a cylinder. And we want this on this plane here. Drag this all the way back. Add height faces. Going with 8. And I'm going to mirror this with symmetry and click OK. Now it's hard to see through this, so what I'm going to do here, right click and the opacity control, move this down to 50%. Now we can see through there much better. I'm just scaling these down to these 2 lines here. Bring the opacity up a little. Go ahead and finish this. And come back down here, right click and edit. And continue. Make this bigger. Drag this down. And drag this down too. Bring that down. Now over the top. And this is looking pretty good so far. Side view, let's take a look at the front. And this is matching up pretty well. And click OK. Finish form. And let's see what we have so far. And bring the opacity level back up to 100%. Turn the canvases off. Okay, here's our shape. And it's got, looks like some lumps in here. Let's see here. So thick here. Okay. Right through here, so that's a little thick. Turn this off and correct this. Okay. Finish form. And that's our fuselage. Let me do something here. Come back down here, right click, edit. And what I want to do is close this nose up here. So I come up here to modify, fill hole. Double click that. See what it looks from the side. And there we have that. And click OK. Go ahead and finish form. Turn the lines off. And turn the canvases off. And there's our fuselage. Okay, now we're going to make this section right here down here. So, turn my lines back on. Edit this. And I want to add line. Come ahead and modify, insert edge. I want to move that to right there. Come over here, exact, and OK. And I'm going to add another 2 lines. Right about there. Click OK. Pull this down. Click OK. This point here. Move this back up. This down. And move this up. OK. Click OK. Finish form. You turn off the canvas. And there we have that. Now I'm going through this pretty quick because this is not a hard airplane to model, but I wanted to do this before I get into any more complicated stuff that I'm going to show on my channel, so that you guys can practice doing this simple stuff and getting the forms correct and everything. Now I'll need to do the one in the back here too. And come back here. Edit. Do the same thing. I'm going to add a line. Or insert an edge. About right there. And add another one in the behind here. Click OK. Click this point, edit form, and pull this down. Rotate this, then move this up, move this up, rotate this a little, move it up, okay, that's it. But I'll move this up. And finish form. And there we have that. Pretty simple to do. Cut the canvases off. And there's our fuselage. Looks really good now. As you see, we got rid of the lumps to straighten these out more. All right, let's go ahead and put a wing in here now. What I did, I downloaded an airfoil for a glider, which this is, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in now. So let's see. First, I need to draw a line, so I'm going to turn this body off, and I'm going to draw on this plane here. Create sketch. L for line. And about from here, here, and click OK. Look at this from the top. Now, since this has a little radius here, this needs to come back a little. So I can match that radius from here. And finish sketch. All right, now come up here to insert, canvas, and I'm looking for a glider airfoil. Glider airfoil, here it is. Open, I want this plane here. And I want to drag this back here. I can turn off the canvases right now, or the side view canvas. And as you see, this is a Sea Lake 3021 airfoil. And I'm just going to match this to here and here to here. And click OK. Now I'm going to trace this airfoil, so I want to click this plane, create sketch. Fit point spline here, or here, about right there. Click OK. Drag the handles around. I'm going to put another point in here. Let me get rid of this. All right, there we go. Now I'll put a line here to here and draw the bottom of this. And finish sketch. Come up here to construct, do a plane at an angle on this line. It should be 0 degrees and click OK. Next, we want to draw on this plane here, or sketch on this plane. Here. From here to about right here. Next, fit point spline. And a line here to there. Finish sketch. Come up here for create. Then we want to use a sweep. Change this to path and guide rail and full extents. I'm going to select this profile and this profile. So path, guide rail, and click OK. Turn the bodies on and turn the canvases off, and we have our wing here. It's looking pretty good. Okay, now we want to draw on this right here. Click this, create sketch. Letter P for project, and we want to project this. Click OK. Going to draw a line from here to here. Computer was acting wonky there, but it's okay now. Finish sketch, construct, plane at an angle, and this is what we're going to use, and click OK. We want to sketch on this plane here. Turn the canvases back on. Fit point spline. We want to project this line here and click OK. Finish sketch. Come over here to loft. Click this, this, and this. And it looks like Fusion may be crashing on me here. Okay, since I didn't save that disappeared. So Fusion did crash on me, no big deal. And so up to that point, I was showing you how to just put this tip on here. So that's what I was doing. And if you follow what I was showing you all the way up to then you should have this wing tip over here. And once you have that wing tip on here and you have your wings here, you'll have one wing, and you just come up here to create, and you click on mirror. Then you click this wing here, and then you your origin. It'll ask you for the mirror line, and then you can use this plane right here for the mirror line, and that'll give you the other wing over there. And also here, what I've done Let's go back here. Okay. Now, if I play this, you can see everything I've done. Up to that point there. Move this back out. Let's take a look at that again. The planes form. Okay. And now that you should have the wing there, what I'm going to do now is show you how to draw this, the vertical stab. I'll turn this vertical stab off over here. And I'll turn off this. Turn the canvas back on. Well, actually, I'm going to show you how to do this first because this looks better by having these up here. What you do, you'll create a sketch on this plane here. And so click this plane here, create sketch. Then you'll use your line tool. Insert your line and go all around this with the line. Well, you know what? Since this is just a short plane to draw, what I'm going to do is just go back and draw everything again and make another video of showing you guys how to do the rest of this airplane with the wing tips, the horizontal stab and the vertical stab and the wheel, how to cut the windows in this. So let me turn this stuff back on. And for now, this is just it. But yeah, so my next video, I'll just go ahead and finish this plane up, show you guys how to finish the rest of it. But for those of you who don't want to wait, what you can do, this horizontal stab back here is done the same way that I drew this or this wing here, same way. And this vertical stab here is also done the same way, except the shape of it is just done on the on this plane here. So yeah, so my next video for this would be out in a day, maybe it'll probably be Monday, either Sunday or Monday, and I'll go ahead and finish showing you guys how to do this. But it's not difficult. Like I said, for you guys who want to go ahead and just do it on your own, just go ahead and do it on your own. And if you want to work on these windows, what you do is just, like I said, just create a sketch on this plane here, the center plane, and then just trace those lines out from the canvas. Then you'll come up here and modify, and then you'll use a split body tool. And then you'll select the main body, the split here. And your splitting tool will be the lines that you just drew in there, and then you just click OK. And then these will be all split. And then you can go back and change each one of these to glass so you can see through it like this. But yeah, it's a good looking plane. So again, I'll do another video, and I apologize for not finishing this up for you in the one shot, which I had planned on to. But unfortunately, I didn't have any room on my computer to save the what I was showing you guys how to do. So when my computer crashed, it went away. But I have this here, the model here that I did earlier. So yeah, excuse me. But anyway, again, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, go ahead and click that like button. If you have any question, go ahead and comment down in the beginning. And I also invite you to join my Facebook group. You'll find the link in the comments. Also, I have my Patreon. Also, you'll find a link down in the comments as well. So we'll catch you in the next video, and we'll finish up this glider.
Subscribe for more.